Turbos Finance gets listed on KuCoin, world premiere. Dear KuCoin users, KuCoin is extremely proud to announce yet another great project coming to our trading platform. Turbos Finance Turbos will be available on KuCoin Spot Market. The supported trading pair is Turbos, USDT. Please take note of the following schedule. Deposits start, effective immediately. Trading start, 10 o'clock on May 15, 2023 UTC. Withdrawals start, 10 o'clock May 17, 2023 UTC. Total supply, 10 billion Turbos. What is Turbos Finance? Turbos Finance is a non-custodial decentralized exchange DEX. Invested by Jump Crypto and Miston Labs, built on Sui since June 2022. Turbos brings a universal notion of digital asset ownership and unprecedented horizontal scalability to DeFi. Turbos is devoted to bringing DeFi to Sui's developers and users, paving the way for wider DeFi adoption with its live spot trading, Turbos Boost campaign and Turbostar Accelerator on the mainnet and its upcoming perpetual product. Website, https://turbos.finance